Want to invest in PMS, but you don't have 50 lakh rupees? Don't worry. SEBI has got you covered on this. SEBI has recently launched a new type of fund on 1st April 2025. It's known as SIF, Specialized Investment Fund. In this fund, it will work like a mutual fund only, but the basic difference is that the minimum investment in PMS is 50 lakh rupees, but in SIF the minimum investment is 10 lakh rupees. It's basically for the people who are like upper middle class or HNIs who want to invest more money in lump sum amount, but they can't afford the PMS. But now they can invest in this SIF fund. The basic difference between the SIP in the mutual fund and SIF is in SIP you like SIP started from rupees 100 and you can do any SIP per month and you can do lump sum investment in mutual fund. But in SIF the minimum investment is 10 lakh rupees, and the investment strategy what the mutual fund SIP takes and this SIP SIF, the basic difference is that in mutual funds SIP your money is invested in a particular stocks or sector like thematic fund or hybrid funds or combination of that like mid cap, small cap and large cap. And depending upon the stock performance your NAV goes up and down, or like the bull and the bear market. But the difference in the SIF is that some money is invested in the stocks, okay, but other money, the 25% of the money is invested in the derivatives is like future and option, which are more risk more reward pattern it is applied in it. More risk and more reward it is there. And if the market falls also you can still like you can't short sell the mutual funds, but you can short sell the SIF. So there is the like somewhat is trading is also there in this. And if you want to know more about this SIF you can DM me SIF and I can send you the more link about this SIF. And if you want to start your journey in mutual fund, you can start with us. We are managing more than 350 clients. Our firm name is Atul Fedgear, and we are managing more than 350 clients. Our AUM is more than 80 lakh rupees, and we also deal in term insurance and health insurance. You should definitely get a term insurance for your family. Rest other all type of insurance is waste of money. Don't fall for any type of traditional plan. Only term insurance is you should have, and a health insurance for the medical emergency for your family. And the rest of the money you should always invest in the equity if you are young. And SIP is the best option for you. If you want to more details you can call me. In the link there is a description. My WhatsApp group link is there, you can join and gain for more knowledge. So stay informed, stay safe. Bye.